Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Fitria Nurhasana from Information Technology Educational Study Program at Universitas Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo. Thank you for the opportunity. I will present my article with the title Application of Web-Based Learning to Measure Student Learning Interest. The reason I did the research is we know that the development of information and communication technology in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 has changed many human life. The computer has become a basic human need to complete its work because it's considered fast and accurate. We know that the technological development have an impact and influence on human life, including in the world of education, which is currently inseparable from the use of technology. Technology requires teachers to make innovative learning based on information technology. So, as educator, teacher must adapt to change of technological development. E-learning as learning activities that are delivered through computer electronic device that obtain learning material that suits their needs. And then vocational high school is one of the formal institutions that prepare graduates in certain area of expertise and prepare qualified, skilled, and competent human resource. One of all the skills that must be able to is database. Database subjects are one of the subject in software engineering competence of vocational high school. Learning success is strongly influenced by the learning resources used. Learning resource can be in the form of books, module, media, and others. We know that media is a tool used to convey information in the form of subject matter and allow students to receive knowledge, skills, and attitude. Website is one of the result of technological development that can be used as an appropriate medium for the learning process because it can be fun learning. Lukitaningrum research show web-based learning media is very appropriate to be used as a learning medium to help the learning process. Based on this, we develop website learning media to measure student interest in learning database. The purpose of this study is to develop web-based learning media and determine the effectiveness of the use of the web for student interest and learning. Next, the method. There are 4 points that I will explain in the method. The first is the type of research, development model, subject, and data analysis. The first type of research. The development of web-based learning media include the determination of research and development or R&D with using the ADDIE models. The following is a flow diagram to the ADDIE development models in this study, starting with the analysis phase, design, development, implementation, and the last is evaluation. At the analysis phase, we do analysis of student character, media, infrastructure is carried out, and then curriculum analyzed. The design stage is carried out of design of flow and content and appearance on media. And then the development phase begin with media development using PHP software, MySQL database and framework, then validated by expert. And implementation of learning media for students of class 11 RPL. And then the last phase is evaluation, that measuring student interest in learning. Okay, subject of this research are students of class 11 competency in the software engineering or RPL in Vocational High School Antartika 1 Sidoarjo, consisting on 2 groups. The first in 10 students and the second part of 24 students. Okay, you can see from the table 1, it shows that indicator of interest in learning. There are 3 indicators. The first is feeling happy, the second is attention, and the third an activity. And for the eligibility criteria is described in the table 2. Okay, the analysis used is the interest questionnaire were analyzed using descriptive quantitative. Okay, result and discussion. The process of developing instructional media start with the design of the flow and the design of the user interface. The design of the flow is used to explain the flow of the actor who will run the website learning, while the user interface design is used to describe the appearance of the website learning media from the login page, home menu, material, assignment, dictionary, and about me. The development of website learning media using some software for PHP and its database with a framework assisted by the researchers code editor using Sublime Text 3, and hosting upload at hosting with the domain www.mediapembelbasisdata.com. Web-based learning media can be accessed on various platforms, namely smartphone, PC, laptop, etc., that are connected to the internet network. After the website learning media design process is complete, the next step is validation. Media validation is carried out by media expert, material expert, and user or student. The percentage of the validation of media expert result is 94.6% with a very eligible category, by user or student that is 97.5 with a very eligible category, and by material expert that is 81.25 with a very eligible category. As the result of the validation, it can be concluded that website learning media is eligible to be applied in learning. Okay, there are examples of website learning. In figure 1 is a login menu, and then figure 3 and main page for teacher. The implementation is carried out in 2 groups, namely small groups of 10 students and large group of 24 students. The result of the analysis compared before and after the use of web-based learning are shown in table 3. Development of web-based learning media can increase student interest in learning because the appearance of web-based learning media is packaged according to student needs and make fun learning so that the material are well presented. Website learning media that have been developed are felt to provide benefit in teaching and learning. With the availability of database dictionary, feature that provide term data that are not understood by students. Website learning media for secondary school in information and communication technology subject can increase student attractiveness and increase student understanding because the media has attractive appearance and make it easier for students to understand learning material. Okay, and the last is conclusion. Development of web-based learning media for 11 grade of software engineering competence in Antartika 1 Sidoarjo through the stage of analyze, development, implementation, and evaluation. With the result of the media feasibility test, it was obtained that the category was very decent with a percentage of 94.6% by media expert, and a very decent percentage was obtained with a percentage of 81.25% by material expert. Okay, that's all our article presentation, and thank you.